So here guys, your 2 rupees is, they ask for your 2 rupees and just you confirm here. Okay, we confirm here, and this payment is successful. Okay, 2 rupees is debited from my account. And if you don't have any kind of your account in, you don't have any debit card, Visa or Mastercard, you can create your new account. I prefer to use Airtel Payment Bank. You can make account on that, and they will provide your Mastercard in that. Okay, then we confirm here some information like primary purpose of your account registration. Uh, Voter ID. Then I put there was a complete, and they asked me what is your name for your billing, so I select my name. They asked me to share this voter ID image. Just I take one picture of this and also backside. Okay, we click the photo of back and front. Okay, and then the back side of photo. Both are selected. Okay, I continue this. And here we have two options: text message and voice call. So I select text message and put my mobile number here. So, and verification come. So guys, here our process is complete, and our AWS account is created successfully. Here they say this say 24 into 7 self-service access to AWS resources, and I think guys this is free for 12 months for students only. So I think that was okay. Then we complete sign up, and here uh, the thing is congratulations, your account is successfully created. And we go on the management console, and here we sign in.